Hey guys, I've received the Woodman dash cam, which has created a lot of hype in the market. Got it at an offer price of 6,999 by paying a down payment of 999. Let's see how the dash cam looks like, and this is the unboxing. So there's a QR code to download the user manual, so pretty good one that they have gone digital, so you can get the details. So let's open the box and then see what's inside. Open the box and cover out. There's the camera. Let's see what additional things are there in the box. And there's the hardwire kit, which we got with the pre-book order, and it'll not ship if ordered later, and this has to be bought additional. So it looks pretty good. The switching harness. See what's the input voltage of 12 volts, 24, output of 0.5 to 1.5, low voltage protection, so will not eat up much once connected to the battery. So it comes with a fuse as well, two fuses which will connect. This is the rear camera module. So remove the camera module. So it's a 180p camera, and they have given a sticker. I think if it needs to be mounted side, I think they've given a sticker with this, and if not, if directly onto the metal plates, they've given two screws as well. So we'll have to see as to where we can place this camera basically later on while we fit the camera in. Now let's take a look at the camera unit. So pretty lightweight, it's not that heavy. It can record 180 and 4K resolution videos. Let's try and turn this on. Switch at the bottom. There's the Woodman logo. I say pretty good field of view. Kind of, kind of turned off, I think. Maybe the battery is low. No, the battery is there, but need to insert a memory card. It's not given with the camera. So pretty much the unboxing. I think once I have it fitted, we'll post another video.